So what you need to do is once you log in into the system, you will start your video as well. So in this video section, all these videos are here. Okay, so you can open the dashboard, you can review all this video, and you can compare with the current system. Okay. After that, let's say for example, there's an administration is the first module which we need to start to make the entries. So you can open the administration. First option is sub module is your branches. So in these branches, you can make the multiple entries. Okay. So in this location, the option number one is location. So you can add multiple locations here. Once all these location will be saved, at the same time you will start for the branches. Watch the video into these sections and at the same time enter the module wise entry. Means you will watch the video for branches, location of branches, and you can make the multiple entries into the system. Once this will be done, you will start to enter the company profile data and you can review into the system. Make sure you will add the multiple entries into the system. So you will have the better idea how it works and where the data is reflected. This master data will reflected into your other modules. Okay, whenever you are making the entries into the system, don't skip the fields. So basically, let's say for example, there's a location is Pune. So all the entries like company branch name. So what is the use of it? Contact number, email ID, landline number, address details, state of this company or the branch, bank details of this branch, and what is the bank tax numbers. You will enter each and every field into the system. So only then you will understand the whole systems. Okay, because each and every fields or the modules will reflect in the other modules. So this is the best practice. You will understand the system. Next, let's say for example, you will start you can skip the business rule for the time being, business rule and roles. Then you will start just review the module. Don't skip. I mean, just open this business rule module, review what are the fields are there. Don't make the entries into the system because we already set up all the taxes. But review everything. Okay. Administration roles. What are the roles we are provided into the system? Users. You can add a multiple users into the system. Just review, watch this video, and just enter multiple users into the system, like the admin users, back office users, sales users, branch admin. Even once the user is created into the system, you can log in as their with the help of their credentials. Suppose you have created the role as a sales. Okay, for example, Asim as a sales. Once you save this sales into the system, user into the system, just open your incognito window and use the same credentials for the which we are use for the Asim logins. So you will understand what the exact modules we have provided for the Asim and the main admin. What is the difference between the dashboard of admin and the Asim? Means the sales team. Because every user will have the different dashboard. I already explained into the videos. Review all these parameter. What is the monthly target? What is the incentive? All parameter you can enter values into the system, and then you can save it. Make the list which field you didn't understand. So after all your individual modules, I will explain all of you thoroughly. First, you will complete the administration part. Make the multiple entries. Make sure don't enter only one or two entries into the system. It will be very difficult to understand the whole system. Make 3, 4, 5 entries into the system. I already mentioned into this sheet. You let me just show you here. This sheet is already provided to you, right? Now your second part of training will be started, session 2. In this session 2, we already mentioned the entries. Data entries into the live software. First, you will start with the administration, all submodules, locations. How many locations you need to create? The count is already mentioned here. So 5 location here you need to create. Branches, how many branches? 5 branches. Company profile 1. Financial year setup, you need to set up 5 financial years. Multiple banks, 5 branches you need to add it. Credentials, you can just review all these parameters. Where I have mentioned the count, make the multiple entries of this count. And where I mentioned the reviews, just review the particular models. Everyone will have this sheet.
Yes, sir.
Right? Asim,
Yes, sir.
yeah,
Yes.
Abhishek, right? Okay. So you will start to make the entries into the system on a daily basis. You will make the multiple entries here. Wherever doubts you will have, just make a notepad file or the Excel file. End of the day, you can share with me. I will just explain the particular models. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, please continue on these things. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.